So today we're going to discuss the concept of a phylogenetic tree. A phylogenetic tree is a diagram that represents evolutionary relationships among organisms. In this example, we're going to be talking about Nintendo gaming systems. While this example uses objects, please note that on any phylogenetic tree, the objects with the shortest branches will be most closely related and objects with the longest branches will not be closely related. So let's dive right in. I'm going to begin with an outgroup. In this example, the outgroup is going to be the Color TV game, which was a special release by Nintendo only sold in Japan. This game system did not have controllers, so it's going to be considered our outgroup. The outgroup in a phylogenetic tree is always going to root the tree. It is important to mention, before I continue, that normally these trees are done with a matrix of numbers that quantifies the OTUs, operational taxonomic units, which are able to numerically quantify similarities between organisms based on nucleotide similarities. So from this internal node we created, meaning the connecting area where the last common ancestor was present, we can look at the further development of these game systems. Notice that the node diverges off into two separate branches, a characteristic that we refer to as cladogenesis. The term anagenesis occurs when there is a continuous evolution of one species. Because we are not discussing any single Nintendo game system and rather the entire succession of Nintendo game systems, that's not shown here, and we cannot see the effects of anagenesis on this phylogenetic tree. After the Color TV game, Nintendo had the development of controllers and later the development of game cartridges, leading to the development of the Nintendo Entertainment System and the Nintendo 64 console. Further development of the Nintendo systems led to the capability of online play and later the development of wireless controllers, where we see the Wii and Wii U here on the tree. More recently, Nintendo developed handheld systems, which then branched out into handheld games that have a hinge to flip open, such as the DS and the 3DS, and games with a single screen and control, such as the Game Boy and Nintendo Switch Lite. As you can see, phylogenetic trees can be applicable to organisms and items. Thank you for watching.